Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see if you were blocked on TikTok. Why would you want to know how to see if you were blocked on TikTok? Well, maybe it is your first time using TikTok and not sure how to see if you were blocked on TikTok. So today I am going to show you how to see if you were blocked on TikTok. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing if you were blocked on TikTok is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open TikTok. Now you are seeing search bar in the top right side. Click on it. Search a username. Click on user. If the profile is showing, it means you were not blocked by this user. If it is not showing, it means you are blocked by this user. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see if you are blocked on TikTok, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.